called out of work because there's way too much snow on the road. Hey guys, what's up? Good morning. It is Wednesday. It's Wednesday, and I called out of work because there's way too much snow on the road. But Greg and I are out because we're heading out for breakfast.
Gotta have a skillet.
Gotta eat. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna stop by Greg's aunt's house too, I think. Drop her off her Christmas gift. And yeah, it's gonna snow all day today. So far, I don't see any break in the snow at all. That's it. So we had breakfast that took way too long to come to us, was not that good, and cost way too much money. And now we're in Aldi's because we saw they were open. So we figured we'd stop in and pick up some basics.
Because she was from York.
Which one?
The one bringing it up.
No. Whatever.
Should have guessed that.
Well, now that caught my attention. Spicy garlic. They have aloha teriyaki and bold hickory. But this one sounds interesting. I lost my husband somewhere. No clue where he's at. He disappeared. He really did disappear. I lost him. I lost you.
Did you see my pretty car in there, Greg?
Yep, I see it.
Capture that look on that face.
Say, I'm the proud owner of a Jeep.
Laugh now.
Come on, let's go see what Dad's doing. Go get him, Dig. Look at all this. So how much you figure that we probably got?
Oh, here, that's a foot. So that's the height of it there. That's a little foot there. But it's up the trees over a foot.
Is it heavy?
Yeah. In 2 minutes, out of breath.
Had a stressful day yesterday, so I just kind of want to like get today over with, and we'll see what happens if it's a better day. My blood pressure was rising yesterday. I could tell, like the reaction I was having to the medicine